What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be talking about the best ChatGPT prompts for SEO content writing. Okay, the reason why you're here is because you are looking for some ways or some new prompts that you can actually add to ChatGPT so you can get the best content possible out of it. Okay, guys, and that's a great thing to be doing because if you're just putting in prompts, certain prompts, and you're not really saving them, or you have certain prompts, you're going to get like this AI written content. Okay, it might turn out unique, but sometimes Google can tell if it's really AI generated content, and they're going to push your content down. Okay, so what I have in store for you today, guys, is I'm going to show you two articles that I have written on my blog right here. And one was written with an awesome tool called SEOwriter.ai. Okay, and the other one was written with a new ChatGPT. So what I mean by new ChatGPT is they have opened up the ChatGPT store, which you can create your own ChatGPTs that do specific things only. Okay, so basically, instead of looking for prompts to put into ChatGPT, you really need to be going to the store to see what type of tools you can find, okay, that actually do what you really wanted to do, okay? But then there might be some that don't do what you want to do, okay? And I found that out already, but I have stumbled upon one that is so amazing, guys, that it almost blows this SEOwriter.ai out the water. And I kind of think it does, as far as how the content is written and what it's pumping out, because it really actually feels and looks like and reads like a human has written it, like a real human and not AI. And that's what I like about it. So basically what I want to show you is SEOwriting.ai, and I highly recommend these guys too, guys, because this is an awesome product and it's pretty cool because you can create the content on this website and pump it to your WordPress website and schedule posts. And you can have huge articles written in no time and pump it to your websites, and it structures it all. It adds AI images, it adds YouTube videos to the post. I mean, this thing is pretty badass, guys, and I highly recommend it. And I will be leaving a link at the bottom of this YouTube video if you're watching this on YouTube, or at the bottom of my blog post. There will be a link to this, okay? So but the thing is, today, guys, you're looking for best ChatGPT prompts for SEO content writing, okay? And I want to show you this new ChatGPT that I stumbled upon, which you are actually going to get free access today. Continue watching this video and I'm going to tell you how, okay? You're going to get free access to this, but I want to show you the difference of SEOwriting.ai's content and this new ChatGPT, and you'll see that the new ChatGPT just blows this out the water and it's totally free. Okay, guys, this SEOwriting.ai, you have to, however many words you want a month is how much money you're going to spend. So like for $13 a month, I get like 100,000 words. Okay. And I've exceeded that one month, and I was, kind of thinking about bumping up my subscription, but I was like, nah, I don't want to waste that much money. You know what I'm saying? But with the new ChatGPT, it's totally free. So I think that's going to be my main thing and my go-to now. And I'm going to use this a little bit less, and I'm going to show you why. So let's go over and check out these two posts, and I'm going to show you what gets down and how this rolls. Okay. So where we at? So right here, this is a post that I created with the SEOwriter.ai, okay? And I want you to look at the post. The post is awesome. I mean, it's well written. It has the heading twos in it. It like does all this for you. So, I mean, this tool is awesome too, guys. If you want to check it out, I promise you, this is awesome. But, I mean, AI generated images, okay? And look at how long. I mean, it even threw in quotes, key takeaways, facts, conclusions, the whole 9 yards, right? But if you really think about it, is a human being really gonna write like that when they're writing a blog post? I mean, if they're gonna sit here and write a blog post kind of like this, to me, I mean, yeah, it's possible, but I'm gonna say more no. And just look at the way it's written. I mean, this is a good article here. It's totally unique. It's a great content. It sounds good. But if you can make it better and you can make it really sound like a human wrote it, Google's going to love it, because people are going to love it when they read it, and Google's going to be able to tell that, okay? Or any search engine. So let me read a little bit of this article for you real quick. Start affiliate marketing with no money, easy guide. Are you a beginner who wants to start affiliate marketing but has limited funds? You might be wondering if it's possible to start affiliate marketing without investing up front. The answer is yes. In this guide, we will explore ways to start affiliate marketing without investment, even if you're a beginner. Starting affiliate marketing might seem daunting, but it's a relatively easy and affordable way to earn passive income. In fact, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model in which individuals earn a commission for promoting products or services and driving sales through their unique affiliate links. So how can you start affiliate marketing with no money? This guide contains budget-friendly strategies for earning passive income through affiliate marketing, from choosing the right affiliate programs to leveraging free marketing platforms, creating engaging content, and networking. We've got you covered. Okay, so you kind of get the gist of this article, and that's what it sounds like the whole way through. Okay, it's just, to me, it seems like it is an AI generated article. Okay. So now when I take you to this next article and you check it out, which is right here, we're going to tell a big difference. Okay. And I'm going to jump right to it. Okay. So let's get into this article. Master SEO content writing with ChatGPT prompts. Diving headfirst into the ocean of SEO content writing, we often find ourselves grappling with the waves of keywords, the currents of search engine algorithms, and the elusive sea creatures known as engaging content. Amidst this tumultuous, I can't really pronounce that word, journey, there emerges a beacon of hope, a compass to navigate these waters. ChatGPT prompts designed for SEO content writing. It's not just about finding the right prompts. It's about mastering the art of weaving them into your content tapestry, ensuring each thread contributes to a masterpiece that captivates both readers and search engines alike. Right off the bat, guys, you can tell, I mean, this piece of content right here was very engaging. I mean, it made me feel like what we're talking about, the SEO content writing is one big ocean, and we're looking for the keywords, which are the waves that are, waving in the ocean. And then the sea creatures is the engaging content. Like it's crazy the way it written this out. And that there's no way to me that it sounds like a robot or something would have like metaphor that into the content. You see what I'm saying? It's like, that's like a human type thinking. Let me read some more for you guys. Imagine, if you will, a world where your content not only reaches the summit of search engine result pages SERPs, but also resonates with readers on a profound level. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy. It's a tangible reality made possible through the strategic use of ChatGPT prompts. These prompts are akin to secret ingredients that, when added to your content stew, infuse it with flavors of relevance, engagement, and SEO prowess. Guys, that is amazing to me. Don't you think? If you think this is amazing, guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, leave a comment in the video. And if you're on my article or my post right now, the reason why you are on this post is because you were searching for best ChatGPT prompts for SEO content writing, and this thing is ranking at the top of Google because the way this article is written, guys. Okay, the way this article is written, it draws you in, it draws the reader in. It's going to keep the reader on the page. Okay, that's what's so special about this, guys. And if you put your own little, like, it doesn't pump out like what SEO writer.ai does, like with all the images and everything. You have to actually put in your own headings and stuff, but it pumps you out an article where it's real easy to do this. And then you just, go to Canva and create your own images and put it in there, which is, I think, personally even better than the AI images that you will get off of SEOwriting.ai, because some of those images, as you can see, are a little funny. These are AI images created with that, and they're a little funny. And I'm like, yo, it's putting in like 6 pictures. I don't have time to go actually, but this article looks good. So I kind of, there's choices to flip them and redo the pictures. And so you got to go with the best of what you get. But if you actually go to Canva yourself, you can do the pictures, and you ain't got to worry about that. So with this type of article, guys, to me, this just looks more professional, more like a human written it. And just a little bit of extra time to do your images yourself and put in your headings. I mean, all you have to do, guys, when you get this ChatGPT is just put in one little keyword and it pumps out this article for you guys. And this article, I mean, to me is amazing. I want you guys to come over to my website. If you're on YouTube right now watching this, I'm going to leave a link to this article. Come read this article for yourself and see how engaging this is. And if you guys are interested in getting this ChatGPT for yourself for free today, at the bottom of this article on my website is going to be an email form. Submit your email and I will send you the link to this ChatGPT within the next 3 to 7 minutes. Okay, guys? So if you're on YouTube, click the link, come over to the article, go down to the bottom, put your email credentials in there. I will send you the link to this GPT. If you're already on the article, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the article. You will see the email form. Go ahead and put your email information in there and I will send you the link within 3 to 7 minutes. Okay, guys, it's that simple and it's totally free. All right, totally free. I highly recommend both of these basically software platform, whatever you want to call it. The new ChatGPT that I'm about to introduce to you. As soon as you put your email in there and you get it, you'll understand it. And all you have to do is put a keyword in there and it writes you amazing content every single time. Like, I am so excited about this, guys, because these articles rank well on Google. I promise you that. More better than these articles rank on Google. Okay, so I highly recommend both of them, trying both of them out. But the new ChatGPT is just blowing my mind, guys, blowing my mind with the article. So I hope this has helped you guys today. I hope this can end your best ChatGPT prompts for SEO content writing search, and you get this ChatGPT. Join my community and my basically, you know, when you put in your email, you're subscribing to my newsletter. Okay, guys, so I give a bunch of helpful tips at all times. Stay subscribed. If you're on YouTube, do all the good YouTube stuff, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out marketer.net. Links are in the description. If you're already on my website, you know what time it is. Check me out. Peace.